I'm coming to you from deep within the Mesquite Dunes at Death Valley National Park, and we're at the tail end of this workshop that started earlier in the week, but we've had a remarkable time. We've seen all kinds of stuff this week. We've been to the notable spots, Badwater Basin. We've been to Dante's View. We've been to, of course, the Mesquite Dunes, and we're out here photographing these now in this beautiful evening light. And we've just crisscrossed the park all week long in search of really beautiful landscape photography, and we've certainly delivered. One of the things that was really a treat this year that you never know before you come is, number one, they had a really wet winter, so there's a big bloom of wildflowers this year. They call it super bloom, and so there's wildflowers everywhere in the park, which is really unusual. As rocky and barren as this desert seems to be most of the time, this year it's just full of life. The second thing that's happened is Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America, 282 feet below sea level. Instead of being just a salt flat now, it's got water in it, and so that's the first time in a long time that it's had water in it like it has, and so that allows for some beautiful reflections of the Panamint Mountains and Telescope Peak in the distance. And it's just we've had some really good skies in the morning, a little high overcast, which has created some beautiful sunrises and sunsets, and so everything has really worked out like we hoped it would. I think the biggest treat we did this week, though, is we took a trip to the racetrack Playa. And if you don't know where that place is, up until a couple of years ago, it's where the rocks mysteriously move across the bottom of the playa, and they leave tracks behind. And so we were able to go there, spend an afternoon there, get some really remarkable pictures, and really just enjoy Death Valley. I mean, it's a great time of year to be here. Late February, the temperatures have been pretty moderate. It hadn't been real hot at all. I mean, in the 70s mostly. This week it got up late in the week it got up into the 80s, and so it hadn't been that uncomfortable at all. So for now, we're going to finish this shootout tonight, go eat a little supper, and then look forward to finishing out the day tomorrow and just going home with a bunch of good images.